What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I want to do something a little different than I do typically. Something I've been thinking about, and I haven't done it because I didn't know if anyone would like it. But the couple of videos that I've done that I didn't think would do well are actually some of my best performing videos. So today I want to talk about money, and I want your honest feedback. If you like this, if you like it maybe on a different channel. Because it's something that I'm in. Personal finance is something that interests me, and I'd like to share some of the stuff that I have with you. But today I want to talk about the power of a single dollar, and which is typically what some people, a lot of people, look at as a throwaway item. You know, you upgrade on your cheeseburger, $1, whatever. You know, it's change in your couch. But that money invested can grow to a significant amount of money. If you just took $1 every day and invested it into an S&P 500 fund, and the S&P generally returns with dividends and growth around 10%. Most sources say 7 to 10%, but I'm extremely optimistic about the United States and our companies long term, and I think that 10% is a pretty safe number. And that 9.9% that it averages, you know, includes the Great Depression, the dot-com bubble, the inflation, hyperinflation of the 70s, and then even including the Great Recession that we had with the real estate crisis. So if you take just $1 a day, invest that into a fund over the course of 50 years, and I know that sounds like a long time, but we're talking about just one single dollar every day, you end up with $467,309.27 for something that would probably just be a throwaway item. You know, again, it's just $1. You could probably find $1 every day on the street. If you look around, heck, you could probably, if you asked enough people, you could probably just get people to give you $1 per day. Now that $1 per day for 365 days over 50 years ends up being about $18,250 in total contributions. And the crazy part about that is if you just had $18,250 in total contributions right now, and you just lump summed it in there, left it in there for 50 years at 10% annual return, be $2.14 million at the end of 50 years. And I understand that 50 years is a very long time. But you know, if you are 18 years old and you did that now at 68 when you're coming up on Social Security age, and I firmly believe that there will still be Social Security in the future because it's no politician is ever going to get rid of that. If you did that, you know, you'd have $500,000. So that's just a real quick thing, and I used the MoneyChimp compound interest calculator on the internet, and I'll give you guys some screenshots of these items, you know, that I calculated. Guys, that's just a real quick example of the power of $1 compounded in the power of compounding interest. Now, if you think about that and what you could do with $2 or $3 or even $4 a day, you know, the compounding compounds. You know, it's an exponential curve. And if this is a video that you like, more than normal when I say, you know, like, subscribe if you want, I'm looking for some serious feedback here. If you guys like this video, hit the like button. Tell me in the comments. Obviously, subscribe to my channel, my Rugged Adventures channel, where I do all the fun stuff that I can do with all of this, you know, compounded money. Or if you just would rather not see this on this channel and maybe on a different channel, I can go there. Otherwise, you know, you guys get out there and do something fun today, okay?